Hello everyone, my name is Mayur Sutar and welcome to my YouTube channel Anybody Can Code. Let's continue with the series of Power BI. Today in this tutorial I will explain a new chart and it is ribbon chart. So let's move to the screen. So first and foremost we are required to open the Power BI desktop application. So we are going to hit on the Windows button and type here Power BI desktop. The application will appear on the top. Just click on the icon and the application will open. Here is the pop-up window. From the pop-up window, I will use the recently created Power BI desktop file. I will not create a new one. You can prefer to create a new one as well. So I will use the recently created one. And here is the file that I have created recently. My all chart of the previous tutorial are available on the same file. Today we are going to see the ribbon chart. Of course, this visual, the ribbon chart available that I have created just for the learning purpose. I will remove it and I will do it again. And of course, today we will not do the copy paste from the previously created chart. We will do from the scratch. To create any chart in the Power BI desktop application, we are required to load the data. So let's do it first. Just to show you how to load the data. So go to the get data, load the data from text and CSV, and here is my data which is already Microsoft Excel separated file that I'm going to open. You are able to open the CSV file here as well, and the data will be available into the table format with all the available columns. This data once you're gonna transform and it will go to the Power Query screen. So this is the Power Query editor. In the Power Query editor, you are able to see the available data that you load from the CSV file. Here are the three steps Power BI has performed already. First is load the data from the CSV file, separate by delimiter. There are 17 columns, encoding parameter. Power BI has promoted the first row as a header as well, and change the data types. Change the data type. It is the auto step performed by the Power Query editor. If you don't want to perform, you can just remove it, or if you want to change the data type any of the column, you are able to perform it by here by replacing from text to number, number to text, or date, whatever format you feel is proper for your database. After loaded data, my loaded data are available here. Now we are going to create the ribbon chart. So first I will click anywhere in the blank area and go to the visualization, build visual, and here is my ribbon chart that just I will click. Once I click on the ribbon chart, the blank chart pop up on the canvas area, and under the build visual we can see the axis where we are required to provide the data. So this is the ribbon chart. It is the combo chart. So on the x-axis, I will provide any category value, not numerical value. So I will provide the product line. As I know, we are having a 6 product line. On the y-axis, I will provide the gross income, and here we can see. So we can see our simple column chart is ready. Now I will provide the legend. It is branch, and here it is. My ribbon chart is ready. So what we can see here, so first we provided product line, so it is created the bar, and inside the bar we provided the value on the y-axis is the gross income, and it is the aggregation sum of gross income. And if you want to change any other aggregation like average, minimum, maximum, that you can perform it here. I will just keep it sum. And now my chart is ready. I can see the column and the ribbons that moving from one category to another category. And we are having the 6 categories, so each ribbon is moving from 1 to 6 category because all the categories are having the values for particular branch. Here what we can see, the ribbon chart is interesting to see. It is going to move the trend. Here we have provided the category value is a product line. Instead of if we are having the data of the time series from like months to month, year to year, then it is good to see like it is going to move from like food and beverage the branch value, branch ABC value will move from one month to another month, for over the month, and we can see the trend, like how the trend is moving for the each branch. Here we can see for the category product line that we have provided. So here performance of on the legend we provided ABC branch, and we can see it here. The C branch is on the top in the food and beverage category, but when it's come to the sport and travel, it's going to the bottom. Again it will move to the top for the next category, and it will move to the top. So it is look visual like a flow. It is moving like waves, right? Now here we cannot see any data, but yeah, that's a part of the configuration. We need to do some cosmetic part. We will do it in a moment. So here my simple ribbon chart is ready. Now we move to the cosmetic part. Click on the chart area. Go to the format your visual on the x-axis. So on the x-axis we have provided a categories. So we can see here what we can do. Text formatting, we can do it here. So I will make it bold. Increase the size. Okay, fine. Concatenate label we cannot do because we haven't provided a subcategory. That's also we can do, same as our previous chart we have seen. We can provide a multiple category on the column. Concatenate labels. Title, I'm pretty fine with my current title is a product line. For title text formatting we can do it here. I will make it bold. That's all we can do on the x-axis. So currently our legend is situated on the top left. We can bring it anywhere from the available options. I will bring it to the bottom center. We can do anything else. We can perform the text formatting here for the legend part. We can change the title of the legend as well. That I will not do. It is fine with me because my current legend is present in the branch, and I select. What else we can do? A zoom insider. Can we include the zoom insider? Let's try it. Okay, once we include the zoom insider, we can see it's our zoom insider included on the y-axis, because on the y-axis we have provided the numerical value. It's not the categorical value. Ribbons, we can change the color of the ribbons. Currently our ribbons are present in the 3 branch, ABC branch, and all branch are presenting with specific color that we can see it here. Reverse tag, it is going to change this change the position of the ribbon reversely. Currently is presenting like the rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. When we do the reverse, it will change to the rank 3, 2, 1. Let's see, and it is here. Now my branch C move from top to the bottom, so it is rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. Okay, great. I will just reverse it for a moment. Connector color, what it is going to do, it is here. So between two column, the ribbons are moving with the specific highlighted color. So here we can connector color, we can reduce, we can remove it if we don't want to keep it. If we want to use it. Yeah, ribbon chart made for this purpose, so we just use it. But we can change the transparency of the connector color by drag and drop this filter. We reduce the transparency. If we do the 100%, it is going to turn to the column chart. So we need to reduce the transparency and bring it to the, let's say, 40%, and it is good to see. I will not change it. Borders, let's include the border, and we can see that there is minor border effect appear on the each branch that moving from one column to another column with some specific connector color, and we can see each branch is related to the color as well. For the spacing, we can decrease the spacing between the ribbons. So currently our ribbons are present in the ABC branch, and there are no space between two branch. We can see it's connected. Let's increase the spacing and see it here. So here I have added 15 px space. We can see now all the ribbons are separated. So it is not connected with each other. We can see the blank space between two ribbons. Data labels, that's the important part. We can include a data label, and we can see the values of each branch in a particular category. And we can compare as well. In the food and beverage category, the branch C was revenue was 1,132, but in the sports and travel category, branch C's revenue is 751. That's all we can format for the data label configuration in the ribbon chart. For the general part, we can perform the same thing. We can change the title of the chart. I will just let it be. I don't want to change. I will just bring it to the center and put the divider. For the background, go to the effect and change the background. If you want to change, I will change it to the slight gray color. Increase the transparency more. Okay, visual border, and I will make it a rounded corner. Shadow I will include, and shadow will be appear on the bottom of the chart, and I will click anywhere in the out, and here our complete ribbon chart is ready. What else we can do? So we can just hover anywhere our cursor on the chart, and we can see we can see the value, because we can see the more detail that available. So here is the product line, fashion category, brand C. The gross sale income is 1026. Once we click outside of the column on the ribbon, and we can see the more info, it including the ranking as well. So wherever the ranking standing of the particular branch, we can see it here. So this is all about the ribbon chart. My complete chart is ready, and I hope you like the tutorial. I hope you like the today's video. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.